way ticket, one 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 way ticket to the blues. One way ticket, 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 one way ticket to the blues. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to play BONEYM one-way ticket. The scale of this song, C sharp minor. So let's see the note first. So that's the first phrase. Look carefully the notes. So 6th fret on G string and 4th fret on G string. 6 6 4 6 6 6 4 6. Then on B string, the 7 7 5 7 7 7 5 7. Then on B string and G string on 6, B string on 4. G string 6 and B string 4 and B string 5th and B string 4. So then G string on 6th, B string on 5th, B string on 4 and G string on 6. So I'm playing once again. Once again. Now the next phrase. So the D string on 6 and the G string on 6. Then B string on 4 and 5th. Then the 6 to 8 and back to 6 on G string. So once again. Then the G string on 6th and B string on 7th. Then E string on 4th and 5th. Then B string on 7 to 9 and back to 7. That's the glide. Then B string on 7, E string on 5 and E string on 4. La, 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 la. Then B string on 4, 5th and 7 and E string on 4th. Then B string on 7, 5th and 4th. Then B string on 5th. Then G string on 6 to 8 and back to 6. So Look carefully, this section. Again, then again, okay. So la 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 la. Now the second phrase. First string on E string, 7 and 4 and 7. Then B string on 7th and E string on 4th. Then E string 5th, 4th and B string 7, 5th, 4th. And then E string 5th, 4th and B string 7, 5th, 4th. Landing on B string 5th. Then B string 4th and E string 3rd and 4th. Once again. Then la 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 la. That's the tune accent. Okay. Back to one-way ticket, one-way ticket. Now the chords and the strumming section. The chords on this shisha minor scale. So shisha minor, one-way ticket, one-way ticket. Then F sharp minor, la 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 la, la 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 la. Then G sharp, la 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 la, la 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 la. Back to C minor, shisha minor, la 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 la, shisha minor, la 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 la. La 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 la, F sharp minor, la 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 la, la 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 la, G sharp minor, la 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 la. The second phrase, la 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 la, B, la 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 la, la E, la la la, then A, la 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 la, G sharp, C sharp minor. So la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Then again B major, la 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 la, E, la 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 la, E flat, D sharp major, la 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 la, D sharp major. Once again, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. And the strumming pattern, down up down up down, down up down up down, and chop on third down, down up down, down up down down down, down up down down down, down up down, down up down. The chop on third, down up down, then up down. So down up down up down, down up down up down, down up down up down. So one way ticket, 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 one get to the blues.